Hey guys, today we are going to talk about how to get the top dollar for your property. If you are first time on this show, just to let you know, my name is Raman Dua. I am founder and CEO SaveMax Group of Companies. There are many upgrades which get you more value than what you spend, and many upgrades which gives you less value than what you spend. So as a thumb rule, if you spend anything outside the house, majority of the times, it doesn't get you the full amount of money back. But many of the upgrades, what you do inside the house, gets you almost 1.5 to 2 times more money. So I'm going to show you some of the upgrades which gets you more value. Before you plan to list your house, make sure declutter is very, very important. The house should look neat and clean. On top of it, I'll take you to the nice paint over here. You know what? Let's say if it is a 2,000 square feet house and you spend $3,000 to $4,000 on the paint, it gets you at least $6,000 to $7,000 back. On top of it, it is very, very important. Some of the areas, I'll take you to dining area. People should feel that they want to come and sit and eat food here. I would also like to get your attention on these light fixtures. So if you really put some of the good high-end light fixtures, you're gonna get almost double the money what you spend on these beautiful light fixtures. You can do little upgrades and it really gives a good value to your property, especially in the kitchen, because there are 2 or 3 very important areas of the house which I would like to mention, and one is the kitchen. Kitchen sells the house. So putting up either a granite or quartz gets you double value of the money which you spend on putting up these upgrades. And inbuilt appliances, of course, can also get you very good value. I'll give you a good idea about these little beautiful faucets. So it is worth spending money on upgrading your faucets here as well. Now, the second and third most important area of the house is your living and dining, as I mentioned. And make sure, don't hesitate to spend money on decorating your master bedroom. Now, when you are selling the house, staging plays a very, very important role. And you can see how Team SaveMax have beautifully staged this property, and it definitely attracts a lot of buyers and encourage them to give more money for the property. Also, as I was mentioning, doing a deep cleaning on the property is very, very important. And when it comes to deep cleaning, we normally use very reliable cleaning company which uses top of the line app called Workify. So you can absolutely subscribe to their service and use for the deep cleaning. Spending money on upgrading the flooring to hardwood floor and a wooden staircase with nice iron pickets gives you almost double the value what the money you spend on it. As I mentioned, master bedroom helps to sell the house. You can see it has been beautifully decorated, and a double-sided fireplace really brings you almost double the money what you spent. Guys, you can save more money by choosing a special commission package which we offer as Team SaveMax, where you get an opportunity to list your house only for $9.99. To know more about that, please click the link below. These little tweaks in the master ensuite is really an amazing upgrade for the property to get good value, especially double sink, separate standing shower, and a stand-alone tub here. If you have little extra budget to upgrades, I would suggest you if you can do the paneling. But paneling is important only when the house is big size. I would say more than 3,000 square feet. And guys, little details like look at this beautiful door at the laundry with the description really attracts the buyer and can make your house worth more than what you can think of. Make sure you give a good idea to the kids how the room can be decorated, especially a little area for study table and computer. Many times people debate about either they should spend money on finishing the basement or not. If you have to live in the house for at least next 3 to 4 years and want to finish the basement for your own use, then it is worth spending that money, because you will get your money back when you are selling the house after 4 or 5 years. But if you just want to finish the basement to sell the house within 3 to 6 months, I don't think so it's a good idea, because you will go through a lot of hassles of contractors, will end up spending that money and will get almost the same money back. So your efforts are futile. Also, I want to mention about another upgrade which really gets you a good value, which is the separate entrance. So try to get the separate entrance through builder, because that's a legal separate entrance. And if you can get the basement apartment done for the rental income, it definitely gives you a lot of value. As I said, it all depends upon your timing. I'm sure you got a good idea how to get the best value for your property. But don't forget the most important aspect: hiring the best real estate team. And Team SaveMax can definitely help you to get the best value on your property. Also, you can take an advantage of our special package where you can list your house for $999 and can save a lot of money. We have sold more than 10,000 houses, 6 billion real estate, and a strong team of 500 realtors. If you want to take advantage of our special package where you can list your house for $999, don't forget to click the link below and take advantage of this special commission package. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do so. Press on the bell icon to get the notification for our next video. Thank you very much.